I just want to make a short video to show you guys how to make your withdrawals through BTC on ICS platform. Okay, now this is my accounts on Icx101. Okay, so I just decided to make a withdrawal of about $70 from my account, just to show you how to make withdrawal, and also to make a confirmation to you that you can actually get your withdrawal whenever you place request for it. Now, what I did was I just clicked here. Okay, I clicked here actually to get to my withdrawal. Okay, so I clicked and I got to this place, and I clicked withdrawal. As you can see, this is withdrawal. I clicked on withdrawal and it took me to this page. Okay, now getting here, presently you can see now that the balance I have here excuse me, you can see that the balance I have here is $2.4 dollar presently in the account. Remember the account, let me just go back there. You can see here is 2.4, that is the balance remaining. Remember what I had initially? What I had initially was, let me get to my dashboard, please. What I had initially was 72.4, yeah. So you see 72.4. This is what I had initially before placing the withdrawal. Okay, so I placed the withdrawal for $70, and I got a mail. And mind you, let me just say this so that some of you get to understand this. Before you be able to make withdrawal, you need to do your KYC, like upload your details, so it will be approved for withdrawals. Okay, now I did that, and I got a mail. Not quite long. This is the mail I got. I got a mail that my withdrawal has been sent. I'm going to show that to you very quickly. Okay, now this is the mail I got from ICS. As you can see, this is my mailbox. This is the mail I got from ICS. Withdrawal request approved. They just approved my withdrawal. So what I actually did was I used Binance for my withdrawal, because it's very easy for you to get your money on Binance. Okay, if I don't know the wallet you are using presently, but if you use Binance, I will advise you do that, because it's easy. If you withdrawing through through BTC, is very fine. Now this is my Binance. Okay, so I came to my Binance account and I used my BTC wallet here. I used my BTC wallet here to ask for the withdrawal. Okay, so after making the withdrawal, I got the money in my Binance account. Okay, here is it. Here's the money. Here's the fund I got in my Binance account, saying the transaction was successful. Here's it. Here's the transaction, saying the transaction was successful. Okay. I just want to show you this. You can see this is the transaction. You can see the dates. You can see the dates today, being 15th. That is the date there. Okay, so I just got the fund in my account. So I should show you guys this brief video on how you can actually withdraw your fund, and to confirm that you can actually get your coin, and to make it easy for you. Like I got the money now on my Binance account. So with this BTC, it's easy for you now. Okay, you can just send the money from here straight direct to your bank account. Whichever country you are, you can send the money directly from here to your bank account, or you can sell the BTC to somebody and get your fund. So if you don't have a BTC account, I will advise you, just below this video, just check the link below this video. I will drop a Binance link for you, so that you register on Binance. Through that, you can easily get your money on Binance, and you can transfer it directly to your bank account. It's as easy as that. Okay, all right, that's just it now. Thank you, guys.